everybody, I'm BennyXD, and on this episode today with Dine, we're going to be doing something special.
Man, what are we doing?
Something special. Hey Joe, would you like to save some money?
Yeah?
Hey Joe, do you like alcohol?
Yeah?
Hey Joe, do you want to make some banging ass sangria?
Yes! Woo! Yes! Woo!
For today's recipe, we're going to be using 3 limes, half a green apple, half a red apple, 3/4 of an orange, 1 bottle of Spanish red wine, 1/3 of a cup of brandy. We went with the peach flavor here. We're going to be using 3/4 cup of orange juice, 3 tablespoons of optional sugar, and we're also going to be using a few ice cubes. Now let's start chopping up our fruit.
Fruity Friday, we're gonna fruit it up, baby. A lot of fruit. A lot of fruit. Fruit's going everywhere. Ben, you like the fruit?
Yeah, I love the fruit.
Loves the fruit. Yeah, we did it! Ready for the wine, baby? Gotta mix it up. Mix it up, and then we're gonna put the wine in it. Yeah! Woo! This is the good stuff.
Now we're gonna add about 1/3 of a cup of brandy.
Let's go big or go home.
Where the third, bro? After not successfully finding 1/3 of a cup, we had to get a new measuring cup. This one clearly says it. Mix it up a bit.
Ben, can we have more brandy?
All right, let's add a little bit more brandy. We're college kids. Whoopa!
More! Yeah! Good job.
Now let's add 3/4 of a cup of orange juice.
Yes, of course. No pulp. No pulp.
There we go. Oh, gotta pull this tab. Alright, 3/4 of a cup. Where are we at? Boom.
Shakalaka.
Mix this up a little bit. Alright, now let's add our sugar.
Because we're going to make it real sweet. Sugar.
1, 2, 3. Let it mix up a little bit. Now
We
are
going
to
put
the
sangria
in
the
fridge
refrigerator.
and
It's
going
to
marinate
for
4
hours.
Alright guys, we served up our drink, added a little bit of ice cubes, now it's time for the taste test. Cheers guys.
Cheers.
Very fruity.
Refreshing.
I like it.
Thank you for coming on, Joe, and thank you, Anthony, for that quick taste test.
No problem.
That's all we have for today. Thank you guys for watching this episode of Today of Dine. Be sure to subscribe, like, and maybe watch one of my few other videos.
And don't forget to comment.
Thank you guys. See you next week.